As an arbitrage trader, you must learn how to bridge. So in this video, I'll be showing you a full breakdown on how to bridge from one network to the other and how to do it effectively. So in this particular wallet, I have Solana and Near. Now I want to send my Solana to Near. Like you can see here that this Solana is on the Solana network and this Near is on the Near network. So I want to make this money on the Near network, $2 for the arbitrage opportunity I'm trying to exploit, right? So what I have to do now is bridge this from one network to the other, and the first network I have is Solana. So in this video I'll be bridging from Solana to the Near network. Now the Near network is where I want the money to be in. Once it's bridged from Solana to Near, I'll send it then to the place I'll be exploiting the price difference in. So in this video, I just want to show you a step-by-step walkthrough on how to bridge effectively without you losing your funds, right? So first thing you have to do is go to this area, then you see home, missions, apps, whatever, then you see bridge. Bridge is at the middle, so just select the bridge. So now what you have to do is to bridge from one network, right? So the first network you are bridging from will be on the top. Now if you enter here, first of all you see swap, cross chain and limits. It must be on the cross chain because we are crossing it from one chain to the other. There's one network to the other network, so it has to be on the cross chain area. Then the one you want to swap from will be on the top because I want to swap from Solana to Near. The networks are different. The Solana network is different from the Near network. Now here is where we select it. Right now you can see the balance here on the Solana. This is what we'll be bridging. Now this is the Near. Here we'll be putting the other network we want to bridge it to. So select here and search for the network you want to bridge it to. Now there are a lot of networks you can bridge it to. Any type of network you like, you can bridge it to here, right? You can see Solana, Near, Base Network, Ethereum, BNB, that's BSC chain, Ton, Bitcoin, Sellers, Tron, Arbitrum. So if you are doing arbitrage trading on the DEX platform and you need to bridge, or even on the exchange to exchange, whichever type of arbitrage that needs you to bridge from one network to the other, this is where you come to and bridge without stress. Right now I'm not promoting this place. Basically I'm not paid for it, I'm just showing you guys because a lot of people have requested for the bridging video, right? So you can see that a lot of networks here, you can see a lot of them, right, that you can bridge to. Then you select where you want to bridge it to. Now we want to select Near. Now sometimes you feel like the money you need to bridge with is much. No, even if it's $1, I'll show you in this video, the fees are actually fair in this particular place. There are some bridging sites, that's one of the reasons I don't normally show bridging on the YouTube channel, because if you bridge with some sites, the fees are diabolical. They will take almost all your money, but with this place the fee are minimal. You see I will be bridging $1 and the fee will be barely up to 1 cent or thereabout. But the point is this cheaper here, right? So once you select the network, you select the coin under the network. Right now I want to select Near under Near. Basically that's what I want to say because here the gas fee is cheaper. But if you want to select the network and there's another coin you have in mind, that's the coin you want to exploit with, then you select the coin. For instance, the network we selected was Near. Right now under Near we have the particular Near, that's the coin, not the network in this place. We have USDC, we have USDT. Now all these other coins here are under the network, Near network. Now you can see the Near network. So how you know the network is the logo being shown on the side. Remember, if the logo is not shown, then it is not on the network. So let me show you with another example. If for instance we wanted to swap our Solana to BNB, once we select the BNB network, we see coins under BNB. So you can see EVA, Rare, DD, Inex. Now the difference there and here is the network. The network here now is under BSC, which you see the yellow BNB icon, right? So this is how you know that you are under the network you are interested in. Then under that network is where you select the coin. So I want to swap to Near network, and the coin I want to use, I want to exploit, is Near. So I want to exploit the Near coin. That's what I need. Now I'll be selecting maximum on my Solana, right? Because I want to swap the whole $1.1 there to my near. That will make it $2 so that I can actually explore the price difference that I want to, right? So the fee here is basically because it's order to learn anyway, so the fee here is basically we find out. So let's review and confirm the amount we'll be getting. So the amount of Solana I'll be swapping is 0.66. The amount I'll be getting 0.66, right? So once Solana, you can see the price. Now the slippage is important. You have to be at 0.5%. Now the fee is basically nothing. You can see 0. These three, that small three you're seeing here is 3 zeros. So 0.00043. So that's basically nothing. Now the problem here is that it's not swapping the whole amount. So we want it to swap the whole amount. I don't know why. Let me check the amount we had on Solana, right? So in my Solana, I have here, that's $1. So you can see 0.0012. But if I'm trying to swap or bridge, it means I'll have some balance. I'm not swapping everything. They are not allowing me to swap everything basically, right? So that's the problem here. So the available balance here, if I want to swap, that I can actually swap is 0.007. So that's why is basically that's why I'm basically getting 66 cents, right? But yeah, it's all good. Let me just take out the max. So I will getting 66. So from this, the fee is basically next to none if you're thinking about it, if you're checking it, because if I'm swapping um 0.0, I'm getting 0.0, so the fee is basically next to none, right? So let's just bridge. Click on the bridge area and you'll be swapping this particular so that is available in your balance to the one you need on the other network. So you can see now the network I'm swapping from is Solana network to Near network. Now you can swap to any network you like, because I'm interested in Near. That's why I'm swapping to Near. At this point, I can swap to BNB, I can swap to Ethereum based network, Arbitrum network, up to whatever network anyways, and I'll get it within seconds. Now you can see I'm still talking, but before a few minutes now or a few seconds now, all this will be swapped and you see success. Once it says successful, then you can go back to your wallet and reconfirm the amount, right? So once this is done, basically the next step is to send it to the exchange or the DEX platform. So I will do that in this video as well, so that you see how it's done. Now bridge completed within how many minutes? It's not up to seconds, right? I'm still talking with you guys and it's done. So that's basically it. We swapped 0.00767 Solana to 0.505 near. That's it, right? So let's just check whether the balance is now on near and not on Solana anymore, right? So you can see now we have 1.57 near and we have 0.743 Solana. So basically we couldn't swap everything on Solana because you have to have some balance, right? So we keep in 0.43, which is nothing, right? So if you are swapping from $20, you have like 0 point left in your balance, because you can't take everything basically. I think now we have near, our near now is also almost $2, right? We can use this to exploit the price difference we want to exploit it with. So what we have to do now, if you want to send it out, is enter here, right? If you enter here, then you go to the send area. Now we'll be pasting or copying the address we want to send it to, right? So let me go and copy the address and put here, then I will sending it to there and I'll show you when I receive it, right? So this is basically a breakdown on this walkthrough. I want you guys to understand the processes, that is not hard, and this particular place helps you do this without stress, right? So I'll be pressing the wallet I want to send the money to, right? Basically, if it's space the wallet you're interested in, then you click on next, right? So here you have the option to select maximum. Now available near, so we have maximum, right? So if you put maximum, you'll be getting 1.18. That is the maximum, right? Because you can't send everything. Remember I told you you must have a balance left. Now the gas fee on here is basically 0.000. So you take from that amount which is on the near and pay the gas fee. So because the gas fee is actually cheap, you'll be getting almost the same amount we are sending, but the gas fee is next to none. So depending on the coin, you'll find out the gas fee. But for the bridging, the gas fee is actually very cheap, right? So the price I'm trying to exploit with this coin, I mean the profit is crazy. I'll be getting up to $5 to $10 at this point because I didn't spend money on gas fee and sending fee and whatever because of this particular place I'm using. You understand? So that's one of the benefits of joining our mentorship where we explain all these things, right? If you are interested in the mentorship part, you can actually send us a DM on personally on WhatsApp. You message me directly and I will enroll you. Basically the fees are cheap, right? So if you're in the mentorship, you will still get an additional free signal group you'll be added to. The signal group costs $20 basically, but you'll be added there for free. That's the bonus you have if you're um signing in with us for the mentorship. And the mentorship is good because most of the things you are experiencing or the losses or problems you are facing is because you don't have a mentor to guide you through, right? So if you want that, you can send a DM and get enrolled. So basically, you are done with the transfer. We have sent out our money. You can share the transfer link if you send it to someone so they will confirm. But if it's your money, I mean, you will get an email or get notified if it's on Trust Wallet or BitMax. You get notified that the coin has arrived. So basically, we have sent it out. Let's check the balance and know if the money is still there or not. So you can see that the money is already out of the wallet and you have small balance left because you didn't send everything. You must have a small balance left, right? So in Solana it was higher. Remember Solana the gas fee is much and current price of Solana is 87. That's why. So because this one near is cheaper, the price is actually the money that is left is actually smaller. So that's basically it, right? So if you are interested in enrolling with mentorship, send a DM, and basically that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to those that might be interested in them. I mean, bro, that's basically how we grow. So let's go.